Are you struggling with an import error that says there's no module named google.cloud? You're not alone. This is a common issue for many developers, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've installed everything correctly, only to be met with an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, but don't worry, we're here to break through that wall. Here's the situation. One user reached out saying they are unable to import google.cloud.speech after installing it with pip. They even specified the command they used, but they're still facing the import error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be causing this import error? It often happens when Python can't find the module in the specified directory. In this case, it seems like the necessary init.py files are missing from the subpackages. Let's explore how to fix this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you a lot of headaches when dealing with Python packages. To address the import error, the user should first ensure that the Google Cloud Speech library is installed correctly in the specified directory. They can do this by checking the contents of the directory where they installed the library. Next, the user should confirm that the Python path includes the directory where the library is installed. This can be done by modifying the Python path in the script before the import statement. After adjusting the Python path, the user can attempt to import the library again. This should allow Python to locate the installed module without needing the init files. If the issue persists, the user may want to consider reinstalling the library directly into the current environment instead of a separate directory. This can help avoid path issues. Finally, if the user still encounters problems, they should check for any conflicting installations or virtual environments that might be affecting the import process. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? So if you're feeling stuck, just remember that even Python has a sense of humor. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests creating a Python virtual environment. First, install virtualenv, then create a new environment and activate it. Finally, install the required Google Cloud library within this environment. Human. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution shared by another user involves importing the library getMessages before importing from google.cloud. This method worked for them in Python 3. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from another user suggests cloning the Google Cloud Python repository. First, run the command to clone the repository. Then, navigate to the speech directory and install it using the setup script. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the google.cloud module is deprecated as of June 18. Instead of trying to import the entire package, you should install the specific extension you need. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that after installing the Google API Python client, you need to specify the exact Google Cloud product you want to install. For example, if you're working with pub/sub, you can install it using the command pip install-upgrade Google Cloud pub/sub. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always use virtual environments for your Python projects. They help keep your dependencies organized and prevent these kinds of issues from cropping up. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the import error and get back to coding. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep experimenting with your Python projects.